Hi, my name is Arpita Gupta and today I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert. So today I'm going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So let's do it. Are you excited? Just to be true to the timing, I'm going to start a timer on my phone right here. And let's go. So I'm going to go in with BB cream first. And I'm going to go in and dab it all around my face. Dot it. I'm just blending everything. Don't forget your neck. After my BB cream is set, I'm just gonna go in with the compact and set it all over my face. So I have like 3 minutes 30 seconds to go. Start doing my contour. I have 3 minutes. Going in with the blush, I'm just gonna take like a bit of it. I have 2 minutes. Going in with the highlighter, I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones. Now that my wing looks a bit similar, I have 20 seconds to go. I'm just gonna go in with the lipstick. And I'm done! So this is like a fair 5 minutes look that I've created. I hope you guys like it, and would you guys take this challenge because this seems fun. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics channel. Bye!